Good morning, guys. Well, today we're going to be installing the Lasfit Switchback fog lights. These are the H11 for my 2013 Subaru Outback. First things first, you want to go ahead and get it on ramps. It's not necessary. You got lots of room to work, especially with something like an Outback a little bit taller. But to be extra safe there, I do have some jack stands and a block of wood blocking the tire, though it does not roll in any way. The car does weigh about 4,500 pounds plus 10,000 pounds of awesome, so nearly 15,000 pounds that could fall on you. So not worth it. Let's get going. First thing you need to do, flathead screwdriver, pop these off. There you have the fog light. Little tab right here, go ahead and squeeze that. Slide off. And you want to turn the existing fog light counterclockwise till it releases and go ahead and pull it out. There you go. There's the old one. Let's work on the new one. Like I said before, these are the switchback fog lights, so what that means is they can change from basically white to amber when you turn off and on the fog lights. So there's a little bit extra involved here. But you're basically just gonna plug this end into this and we'll move on. All right, and we're gonna go ahead and install the new bulb. So just reverse the process here. Start off kind of counterclockwise, then we're gonna tighten it up by turning it clockwise. Make sure the tabs line up on the bulb. Which are right there. All right. Now the bulb's in. All you do is connect this here. Let's try it. So let's go turn it on, see if it's working, and in the event it's not working, it just means that you need to reverse this plug. So let's try it. I already have the Lasfit low beams installed, projectors, so those things of course look sweet to begin with, but now we've got our switchbacks. So like I was saying before, we do have a little bit extra cable on this due to the switchback setup. So I'm going to try to find a nice place to kind of tuck it all in, get it out of the weather and conditions and things. I'll probably end up zip tying it to a portion of the wire loom. Kind of show you what I did here as far as mounting that up. All right, so I did find some spots on the wire loom to go ahead and get everything kind of tucked away up a little bit higher, so nothing's dragging, just in the event, you know, we do go through a little bit of water. This does get hot, so I've kind of got it set up to where it's got a little bit of air around it and nothing touching it. And then I'll go ahead and clean up those zip ties and we'll button her up. Got the two push pins back in. Everything's on. You're done. A quick demonstration in the daylight here, and then we'll do it again when it gets dark. Go ahead and turn your fog lights on. You're set up for snow, everything like that with the amber. And all you do is simply turn it off and back on. This is the switchback portion. Now you will have gorgeous LEDs. Finally, darkness. Time to test these out. So real quick, here's the Lasfit low beams. Begin with LED. Those things are sweet. Let's check out these fog lights. Yeah, buddy. All right, let's try the switchback. clearly very bright. Well, thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I'm going to be doing more of these videos, so stay tuned and go check out Lasfit Auto Lighting.